हर कॉलेज की एक हार्ट बीट होती है, एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ जज्बात, जुनून और लीडरशिप एक साथ धड़कते हैं और उसी हार्ट बीट का नाम है जिम खाना। यहाँ सिर्फ कॉम्पिटिशन्स नहीं होते, यहाँ लिखी जाती है कहानियाँ उन स्टूडेंट्स की जो सिर्फ खेलते नहीं बल्कि जीतने का जज्बा रखते हैं। आज हम आपको मिलवाने वाले हैं ऐसे दो बेटियों से जो सिर्फ जिमखाना का हिस्सा नहीं बल्कि जिमखाना का गर्व बन चुकी है। Someone who is dedicated and talented hammer throw athlete, proudly representing Maharashtra at the national level, a national medalist, Miss Lakshmi, along with Miss Krishna, who has played various states and national level tournaments, proudly representing University of Mumbai in the West Zone tournaments. उनकी कहानियाँ सिर्फ उनकी नहीं बल्कि उन सारे स्टूडेंट्स की हैं जो एक कॉलेज कैंपस से निकलकर दुनिया में अपना रंग जमाना चाहते हैं। सो गेट रेडी, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ एक पॉडकास्ट नहीं, ये एक सफ़र है जो शुरू होता है जिमखाना के दरवाज़ों से और जाता है सीधा दिल तक। Hello everyone, I am Pruta Kadakia from the Department of Multimedia and Mass Communication, your host for this episode Gymkhana Special. Before we begin this episode, we offer our sincere gratitude to our principal, Professor Dr. Maushmi Datta, for giving us the idea of starting this podcast. Our Vice Principal and IQAC Coordinator, Dr. Mona Mehta, for helping us make this podcast come into existence. This podcast is in association with Internal Quality Assurance Cell, hosted by the Department of Multimedia and Mass Communication, the NKC Spotlight. Welcome Krishna and welcome Lakshmi to the 19th edition of NKC Spotlight. To begin with, could you share how you first joined in Gymkhana and what does your role look like?
I have playing volleyball since I was 8, and Gymkhana felt like I can continue that journey from this college.
Alright.
As a professional athlete, even I started my sports from 5th standard and even I'm continuing this.
That's amazing. So, if you had to describe Gymkhana in one word, what it would be?
It would be passion.
Passion, and for you?
It would be empowering.
Okay, so why do you say so? Passion and empowering.
Because when I feel like playing, I can come to Gymkhana, the teachers are supportive, the coaches are supportive, and it felt like...
Right.
Yeah, the Gymkhana is very supportive. The college is supportive for us, and yeah, it is great working with them.
Amazing. What's your most memorable memory you spent while your time at Gymkhana?
I have playing volleyball, so there was an intercollegiate tournament. It went down for the third set, and which is the final set.
Okay.
So after scoring the point, it felt like a relief, and we won that tournament with great victories.
That's amazing. For you?
The most memorable thing for me was working with the Gymkhana while sports day preparation, and I also got felicitated at the annual sports ceremony, which was the most beautiful thing for me.
That's beautiful. What was the challenges that you faced while you were here and how did you overcome it?
So the challenges for my team was the injuries. I am the team captain of the volleyball girls team, and I have knee injury.
Okay.
And my two main players had fever. We have to go to the matches, we have played, we still lost, but it was great.
Yeah, I agree with Krishna's point. Taking injuries and giving the best during the meets, that also state and nationals, is very difficult for us to manage and bring a medal for us.
That's the best sportsman spirit any athlete or any sports person could show. For the students who haven't come to Gymkhana yet, what's that one thing you'd like to tell that they're missing out on?
They are missing out on a lot many things. They are missing out the friendship, the sports friendship that is always loyal. Second of all, they are missing out on leadership qualities, the confidence that they can build here and only here.
Okay.
I would suggest them to take their CCI sports and can involve and build whatever, everything as confidence, leadership qualities, as what Krishna told.
Right. So you both mentioned about the confidence and leadership quality. What do you think? How has Gymkhana helped you shaped as a person in skills and confidence, as you mentioned?
Gymkhana has shaped me very well. I have been team captain for the girls team from the start. So it has built me the tolerance around my juniors, my senior players, my coach. They have helped me a lot in building tolerance, confidence, leadership qualities, etc.
Yes, wherever I've lagged down during, like there is depression, demotivation, my coach, my teammates, my juniors, as well as my seniors have made me so much, they have given me so much of motivations to continue, like not to lag back, like whatever.
So it's been that Gymkhana has been now a family for you.
Yes.
So here's the advice that the coach and the captain has for you. What are those facilities or opportunities you think most people should know about it, but they are not aware and they're missing out on it?
The most facilitated it is the strength and conditioning room that the Gymkhana has. They can use it for their physical health, as a lot of people are not healthy enough. So they will have a lot of problems in future. And second of all, they can use Gymkhana has provided us the TADA funds and etc.
Okay.
Yeah, Gymkhana has a lot of facilities, and I want each one of them to use them very well for their future. And
Okay. So for the first years, what are those opportunities you think they should make the most while being in the campus from Gymkhana?
If you are not in the sports background, you can take some small steps that you can join through Gymkhana. In Mumbai, there are many and lot of competition that you can join. You can win, and it's better.
I would like to give a tip for the first years to get involved in sports activities and participate and help the Gymkhana, which can make them, which can build their confidence. And
So I hope the first years have now their source of inspiration and have got the exact idea that why and how they should join the Gymkhana for. Thank you so much, Krishna and Lakshmi, for giving your time and such valuable insights about a Gymkhana at our campus. I believe the first years or the people who haven't discovered this yet, it's very important for them to understand all the insights that our guests have given. So thank you so much for being on this episode.
thank you so much for inviting us. It was honored for us.
Yeah, it was a great opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you for watching this episode. We'll see you all very soon. Till then, stay tuned for more such episodes for NKC Spotlight.